Facebook ads funnel. The goal is to work customers down your sales funnel and warm them up to your brand or product in the process. First, make the customer aware and interested in what you are offering. Second, retarget these warm customers, provide value, build trust, and collect leads. Finally, retarget and convert this lead into a sale. No matter what your sales funnel is leading to, you need to identify your end goal. This can be signing up for a newsletter or a webinar, selling a service or a physical product, growing your email list, increasing your website traffic, or even promoting an event. Not many people go from zero to sale instantly, so you need to warm the user up first and build an online relationship with them by building your brand awareness and sharing your products and service benefits with them. Once they're aware of your brand, continue to provide value for free. For example, we offer a free marketing course in order to capture leads. Which leads me to my next one, capturing leads via your lead magnet or giveaway. The lead can simply be a user who visited your website and lives in your Facebook custom audience, which you can retarget in future ads. Or the lead can be an email address, which you can contact, upsell, and remarket to again and again. Finally, retargeting this lead to convert into a sale, or whatever your goal is. Next, split test. When I say split test throughout this course, I mean literally split test separate campaigns, ad sets, ads, images, text, everything. One variable at a time. Remember biology class in high school? To test any hypothesis, you need to compare a single variable, the test group, versus another single variable, the control group. Then you can view the results and see which variation worked more in your favor. So for Facebook ads, this means optimizing for your key metric, such as lowest cost per lead, lowest cost per click, most conversions, and so on. So you want to split test everything. Your Facebook ad objectives, the detailed targeting, ad copy, ad images, videos, and so on. So a pro tip here, make sure to test only one variable at a time in each ad campaign, ad set, or ad, so you can clearly determine which variation equaled the best results. This is my most common funnel. You can add steps as you like to further optimize your own funnel. Typically, you should have multiple funnels and lead capture pages and offers that you can split test to see what your customers prefer. So typically at the top of funnel, I have a Facebook ad that directs people to my free valuable content on my website. Next, I will retarget this warm website visitor audience with a free opt-in offer, like my free course. Then I'll send the thank you email along with that free item to this new opted-in user. Then I'll set up a drip email campaign that provides further free value, such as another blog post, another video. I'm building that trust and rapport. Finally, I will email and create a retargeting Facebook campaign of this opted-in list with the paid offer, my paid course, or my paid services. See how the relationship has been built as the customer works down this funnel? We're working them from cold to warm to hot. So my number one Facebook funnel, I like to start with a great pillar blog post. This is a 1,000 plus word blog post giving immense value in my niche. So I will paste the intro of this blog post into the Facebook traffic objectives ad copy and make sure to finish that ad copy with a strong call to action or a final sentence leaving the reader wanting more. Next, I will retarget the users that visited my website via custom audiences. Retargeting just means showing an ad to someone who has already engaged with your content, i.e., the people who visited my website, or watched a Facebook video, or subscribed to an email list. I do retargeting via Facebook custom audiences and the Facebook Pixel. With the Facebook Pixel installed on my website, I can track visitors and then create custom audiences of those users who visited specific URLs on my website. I can also make many more cool custom audiences such as email list, content engagement. We'll delve deeper into this later. So to create a Facebook custom audience, just log into your Ads Manager account at business.facebook.com and select Audiences in the top left menu. Under Advertise, click Audiences. So on this Audiences page, click the Create Audience button in the top left. In that drop-down, select Custom Audience. In this pop-up, select Website Traffic. And now in this pop-up, click the drop-down here of All Website Visitors, and in that drop-down, select People who visited specific web pages. So you'll want to create an audience of users who visit your top-of-funnel content, i.e., a pillar blog post, which is typically a 1,000-word blog post that provides a ton of value for free. Here's an example, coursenvy.com/free-backlinks. One note here, I have found that tracking URLs cause errors in URL equals audiences. So as you can see, I chose URL contains, and then in the field, I put the full URL and the URL path, just to ensure I'm capturing that entire audience. Next, make sure to name your custom audience for easy future identification when creating Facebook ads. So as you can see, I've created a new ad here, and we are on the ad set level. So under custom audiences, we can select this audience we just created. So my number 2 favorite Facebook funnel includes videos. So make sure to split test your top of funnel ad content when you're seeking to build brand awareness to a cold audience, or these are people that are new to your brand. Don't assume that they will all love the same pillar blog post. As I always say, test, test, test. But that said, I have had a lot of success with video ads for this initial awareness or first touch point with that new potential customer. Then I will retarget people who watch over 50% of my top of funnel video ad. Yes, there is a custom audience for video engagement. So again, on the Audiences page, click Create Audience, select Custom Audience, and in this pop-up, select the video option. In the engagement field, select the type of content engagement you want. Now this is a great area for you to split test to see if different engagement levels get you different results. But I see the best results for people who have watched at 50% of your video. So now I have that selected. Next, select your video, then set the number of past days you want to track these users. I like to use 90-day audiences to have a larger custom audience size for retargeting. Finally, name that audience. Now my number 3 Facebook funnel, conversion. So I want to retarget these warm users by selecting my custom audience under the ad set level in a new Facebook conversion objective campaign. I will direct the traffic toward a lead capture page on my website where I am offering something for free in exchange for the user to opt in. By opt in, I mean the user exchanges their email for XYZ value proposition. My opt-in item, or lead magnet, or giveaway, is a free marketing course. Maybe your customers will prefer a free ebook, a coupon or free trial, a free video, free consulting, a free webinar, a free product or service. Just make sure to split test to see what free item is converting best for your target market. So pro tip here, I will also split test targeting this warm custom audience with a Facebook traffic objective campaign. So this is directing traffic to that same opt-in page of my website versus a Facebook lead generation objective campaign. Therefore not forcing the user to leave Facebook to opt in. So by split testing these 3 campaign objectives, we can identify which objective drives the lowest cost per opt-in. So again, once you create an ad, at the ad set level, find your custom audience you created. Another great warm audience idea to test is targeting users who like your Facebook page or friends of people who like your page. You can select this via the connections option at the ad set level. So my number 4 Facebook funnel, email. Next, I will follow up with my email leads via an automated email sequence. You can go to Coursenvy.com and search ConvertKit to learn more about email automation. So in this email sequence, I will thank them for signing up for my free mini course and provide them with a link to the course. Then in 2 days, I will follow up with another email offering more value, such as another pillar blog post with a ton of free value. By this point, the user is very warm. They trust you, you're building rapport, you're starting to build an online relationship. And at this point, they should be very happy with all this free value you have provided them. So it's now I will email them my course bundle for sale with a time-sensitive coupon to create a sense of urgency. This will be where you promote your product or service for sale that makes sense for this specific lead. In case they opened my email but got busy with life and didn't make the purchase, I will also retarget this list of emails via a hot leads custom audience in a new Facebook ad campaign promoting my course for sale. You can create this new custom audience of emails via the customer list option while creating a new custom audience on Facebook. As you can see on the audiences page, create audience, create custom audience, customer list. So all along the way, as I work people down this funnel, I am split testing campaigns, one variable at a time at all 3 levels, objective, ad set, and the ad, to optimize for my key metrics, which is typically seeking the lowest cost per conversion. I am also shutting off non-performing ads at each step of this funnel, every 2 to 3 days. I'm shutting off things that are too expensive, non-performing, and so on. Once I find winning ads, using all the variables I've tested, I will slowly scale up their budget 20 to 30% every 2 to 3 days until I am at a daily budget I am comfortable spending. I am constantly testing ads to find more audiences and obtain cheaper results. But once you get a few of these winning ads, they truly can become evergreen or lifelong ads for you. So who is your target market? The only step of your funnel that can be broad is the first step, or the top of funnel. This is you putting your brand out there to learn more about what works, who is engaging with it, and so on. Every step of the funnel thereafter must be laser focused on who your target market is. Not only in your ad set level targeting, but also in your ad copy. We are converting cold traffic, they don't know you or your product, into warm traffic. They've clicked or engaged with your content, and then into sales or hot traffic. These are potential lifelong customers you can upsell and remarket to again and again, and also create a lookalike audience of. What is a lookalike audience? Facebook creates your lookalike audience by finding new people on Facebook who are similar to your existing audiences. I love using lookalikes for my top of funnel targeting. So again, we're on the audiences page, create audience. In that drop-down, select lookalike audience. So in this lookalike audience pop-up, we can select our data source or custom audience to let Facebook create an audience for us. My best performing lookalike audiences use my email list, my custom audience website traffic, and my Facebook page fans. One of my favorites is my custom audience website traffic of people who have made a purchase. I'll let Facebook go out and find other people who look like my exact paying customers. Then I will select my target location and then typically set it to the smallest lookalike audience size of 1%. Typically, the narrower the audience on Facebook, the more expensive it is to target via ads. So start very broad at the top of the funnel. A pro tip here, split test targeting different detailed targeting, your competitors, demographics, at the ad set level to see which target market drives the best results for your ads. So detailed targeting appears under the ad set level under audience. Now, Facebook doesn't have all Facebook pages listed under detailed targeting. So if your competitor's page isn't listed here when you search, no worries. Just target broader and then create your own custom audiences and lookalike audiences with the engagement you get from these broad 1 million plus sized audiences. So don't start too narrow at the top of funnel. I'd rather you start as broad as targeting an entire country at the top of funnel than miss out on potential customers. For example, I'm only targeting the country United States, no custom audiences selected, no detailed targeting. I'm selecting all gender, all age. This is a perfect top of funnel ad, or for products or services you're unsure of your target market for. As you can see under potential reach, this is what I call a broad audience, 230 million people. So now some homework for you. Your target market is another great area to split test to see who are your highest converters, i.e. sales. Take some time to sit down and describe your perfect customer in great detail. What is their age, gender, relationship status, location, hobby, job title? What organizations or groups are they a member of? What's their favorite TV show? What blogs do they read? What podcasts do they listen to? What Facebook pages do they like and follow? What stores do they shop at? Create this perfect description or avatar of your customer, so you can use these targeting options while creating Facebook ads. Next, customize your ad copy. I suggest targeting each stage of the user directly with custom ad copy. Are they cold, warm, or returning customers? For example, in your warm audience retargeting ads, you know certain info about this user, such as they navigated to XYZ blog post. So you can mention that in your retargeting ad to personalize this ad copy. So an example, I hope you enjoyed my blog post on how to sell on Amazon, but I wanted to take it one step further for you. I want to give you my Amazon FBA Mastery course for free. Now talk about great ad copy to re-engage those people and capture their lead information. Another great area to split test in your Facebook ads is placement. Placement is under the ad set level of your campaign, and it enables you to choose where your ads show up, such as Facebook Newsfeed, Facebook Messenger, Facebook Stories, Instagram Feed, and Instagram Stories. I typically use the automatic placement option, as Facebook's algorithm and user data knowledge usually gets me the best return on ad spend. But if you know you only want your ad to display on Instagram, you can choose that here. Next, follow the rules. Facebook has an ever-changing set of ad policies. So to prevent your Facebook ad account from being suspended, make sure to read updated Facebook ad policies every quarter. Go to facebook.com/policies/ads. Now, if your Facebook ad account is ever disabled, don't worry, just contact Facebook ad support. Facebook.com/Facebook ad support. Now let me walk you through an actual full Facebook funnel. First, I will split test top of funnel content to broad, 1 million plus potential reach audiences, and to narrow audiences. For example, sometimes I will split test targeting an ultra narrowed audience of 20,000 people, and it will outperform a broad audience for me. But I wouldn't have ever known that if I didn't test them at this top of funnel testing stage. For these ads, I will use a traffic objective and split test one variable at a time for 3 to 7 days at the ad set and ad level. Things I tested include varying detailed targeting, ad text copy, and ad media, such as images versus video. My goal was to find a balance of low cost per add to cart, but also highly relevant ads. So as you can see, I achieved the low cost per add to cart, but to see how the ad's relevance was, we need to expand the ad sets to reveal the ads under each ad set. So just click that little arrow next to the ad set name. So I want the audience engaging with my ad and getting average to above average relevance scores. So of these 5 ads under this ad set, I see 2 clear winners with great relevance scores and a low cost per result. So I will toggle off these 3 losing campaigns and then scale up the budget on these 2 winner campaigns. Next, I will split test middle of funnel content targeted at the custom audience of website traffic, people who went to my top of funnel pillar content page. Remember, this is a warm audience. For these ads, I will use a conversion objective with the conversion leads and split test one variable at a time for 3 to 7 days at the ad level, since we are only targeting our custom audience at the ad set level. Things I tested for this include varying ad text copy and ad media, image versus video. Next, I will analyze these ads to see which is producing the most conversions for this ad campaign. My final step for the bottom of funnel ad is again a conversion objective with the conversion purchases. Then at the ad set level, I will split test retargeting a hot audience, such as leads that opted in for my free item in the last conversion campaign, or people who added something to their cart on the website but didn't make a purchase. So to watch me create and optimize an ad for a client live, head over to this YouTube link. Now go and create your Facebook ads funnel, and make sure to check out Coursenvy.com for more great info.